guys, I'm back with a new video, and this week I've been requested quite a lot through like DMs, and I've had a couple of comments as well regarding outfits, like how to coordinate like Indian outfits. And I know wedding season is around the corner and it's already began. I'm a bit late with this video, but I thought wedding is coming up, so I was planning my outfits for her wedding, and so I was like, why not explain the whole process of thinking that I go through. So I've got 3 outfits to show you. I won't show them fully because I'll do another video on them when I'm wearing them, but the whole thinking process of how I put everything together, I'll take you along today, and you'll get a sneak peek of my full outfits kind of in this video. So the first one I'm starting off with is a simple suit. So the suit's actually velvet. It's a velvet suit, it's in navy, and it's got like a gold border around just the front of the suit. So what I decided to do with that is to go with a fulgari. So this is the fulgari I'm going for. So it's got orange, pink, gold, red, like as in the colours. So I'm just pairing this with a simple velvet suit. I think it will go great, and the colours will really pop. So when deciding everything that I'm wearing, so I've got the velvet, I'll pick it up in a bit. When you're picking your dastard colour, I tend to go so opposite to the dupatta. So if my dupatta, say I'm wearing navy and pink, I would wear a navy dastard with the pink dupatta. The chances of me choosing the same colour as my dupatta are very low. It does look okay, but it just doesn't give you that wow effect that you may want, or want everything to coordinate better. And if you do, then basically just go with the opposite colour of your dupatta. So because this is like very multicoloured, what I've decided to do, I've decided to keep everything the same colour. So as it's a navy suit with a navy salwar, I thought it would be best if I kept the dastard navy as well. And just to add a bit more colour to just the suit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this headband, which I'm going to put on top just like that. So that will be with my navy dastard, so that adds a little bit of pop of colour to my plain outfit, but obviously this will be the major look of the outfit. I'll just show you. So I've decided to go, so I'll hang everything together, especially if I'm pre-planning everything. So this is the navy I've got, so you can see how it's like, yeah, the velvet effect. Then I've got the plain gutta to it. It's a very simple suit, it's just navy. And then I've got my navy dastard. I don't know if you can see the colour, but that's my navy dastard. So I'll have all this plus my fulgari. So that's the whole outfit I'm kind of going for. And then obviously my headband as well. So this is a very like basic look. I'm not going wow, but I think my cousin, she wants everyone to wear fulgari, so I'm trying to keep it simple. Right, so for the Sangeet outfit, I've decided to go for an orange. I haven't actually worn this suit since I've got married, so I thought I'd bring out some of those and, you know, start wearing some of them maybe. So basically I decided to go with that orange. It's just plain orange, it's got good eye on it. It's heavier than the juggle suit that I've got. So this is worn the day before the juggle. So it's just, as you can see, it's just a very, it's not heavy, but it's not light either. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. And because the salwar, so if I show you, the dupatta down here is also plain, and same with the salwar, it's also plain. So again, it's a all over colour. So if in this case I was to wear this, there's multiple colours that you could wear, because this is a whole one colour suit and the dupatta's one colour as well. You can go for a gold dastard, which I'm actually going for in this outfit. I may change it last minute, but so far it's gold. If I was ever to wear this, I would either wear it with a gold dastard or possibly a white would go, but I think white washes out an outfit, especially with a colour like this. I think with some brighter colours like blues and stuff, I think white goes really well, whereas I think with the orange, I prefer to go with a black. It's just a more solid colour and it brings out the orange even more. So I would either go for a gold or a black, and if I was to go with a black, sorry, I would wear a gold headband with it, just because to link everything in, so the gold and the style will link with the gold kadai that you got on your suit, because black's just coming out of nowhere, whereas the gold, it's actually part of the outfit because the kadai is gold. So that's like a simple way. So with this, like, my jutti would be gold as well. So you choose one colour and then you can put together a whole outfit. So that's my second outfit. Right, so with my third outfit, it's actually got three colours in the whole outfit. So it's pink with gold and blue. So with this case, I could technically go with any of those colours, but I would avoid pink because the dupatta is actually pink, so I would most likely avoid it. The gold and the blue are less used in the whole outfit, so I would go for either a gold if I wanted to keep it classy and tone it down, but if I wanted to be a bit more bold, then I would go for the blue, because blue just stands out with pink. Obviously, it's very bright colours. And so basically what I've decided to do, so this is my suit. So it's like it's a pink which gives off a gold tone, and it's got like it's all gold and blue, and at the bottom, as you can see, it's blue and gold. So I've decided to go a bit more bold instead of using the subtle colour which is gold. But the reason I'm not using gold is because I've used gold in my other outfits. I don't really want to rewear a colour of that dastard, so I went for royal blue dastard to match the blue. And then with this one, I'm also using a gold headband. The difference with that one is it's gold and silver. So because the gota was like a silvery gold, I decided to go with a gold and silver headband, whereas this is just gold. So I've just kept it simple and just went for a gold headband, and I think that would just tie the whole outfit together. And obviously with the dupatta, let me show you, that's the dupatta. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's like a gold gota, and then it's just got loads of like little gem things to put the dupatta together and link it with the suit kameez. So yeah, in this case I could go for a gold or a blue. When you're basically going through your outfit, if you see an outfit and if it's only consists of two colours, so the kadai colour and the actual suit colour, the two options that you could go for is either the kadai colour that's in it. You could go for the colour of the suit, depending on, it also depends on the colour as well. So it's not just, so say if it was a blue suit, you could get away with a blue chunni and a blue dastard. With a pink, I would probably not go with a pink dastard, like just go full on pink. I think that's a bit too much, but hey, if you want to, you can. Yeah, and I always try and keep the dupatta and the dastard colour opposite. I think that goes really well, and it gives like dimension to your whole outfit as well. You can wear a dastard colour that's linked to your kadai, a dastard colour that's linked to the kameez or the salwar. Say your kameez is pink and your salwar is blue, you could also go for a blue dastard because your dupatta may be pink, but if it was blue, then I may go for pink dastard. So keeping these two and those two colours different. Don't know if this video helped. I hope it helped those who are struggling to coordinate their outfits or don't have anyone to ask. But yeah, if I get stuck, you can also DM me at thatxcool. That's my Instagram page. I also got a Facebook page if you really need to use that. And yeah, I hope this video helped. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below any sort of videos you'd like to see. I have got May Madness coming up, so there's gonna be 2 videos twice a week, Mondays and Fridays, and it's gonna kick off, well, it kicked off last Monday, so this will be the second one of the week, and then the weeks coming will all be two videos a week. So stay tuned for that. I'm so excited for you to see all the videos, that actually all of them. I don't think there's a single one that I'm disappointed with. I think all of them are amazing. So, which is surprising. I usually have like one or two that I'm kind of disappointed with, but this time I'm not, basically. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so stay fearless and keep going. Bye! Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Come on, do it now. Red button now.